All right, what's up, YouTube? Lens of Fry here, aka Fry, aka Kyle. Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate everyone that's here. It's kind of different. I'm used to doing the live stream thing, but I figured I'd put up a quick unboxing because I've been getting these in and they're fun to play with. So what we've got here is a BitAxe, and it's meant for just basically lottery mining at home, shot in the dark mining. But I've been seeing more and more people actually hit different coins. So that's exciting. It's fun to play with. Like I said, it's fun to do the overclocking and the different fans and the upgrades. And I want to make a few videos based on that. I have two other ones that started off just as stock BitAxes on the regular stand that that they come with, BitAxe Gamma 601s. And that's great. They were able to get, I think, 1.5, 1.6 terahash just on the stock fan. There's only one fan on the front. Like I said, I'm going to do some videos. This is more of an unboxing, quick unboxing. And I'll do some more videos based on the overclocking and the performance side of things, because I don't see too many videos out there based on that. So I'm going to switch the camera to the bench view, and then we'll rip this apart and see what we're working with. Okay, here we are on the bench. Now, let's see what we got here. We have a package, of course. I was kind of worried about the shipping on this, because it was sitting for like the past 10 days. It was sitting just at the quote local carrier, which is Uni Uni. I've had good success with Uni Uni. It's funny saying the name in the past, but they were just like, they tried to tell me they hadn't received my package yet, which was, I find horse shiz, because I believe they I'm pretty sure it's all based on scans. Like, it's not just word of mouth or smoke signals or anything. Anyways, the seller stayed in contact with me, even though I'm pretty sure it's Chinese New Year over there. So the seller was good. What's it called? Lucky Two Miners, or Lucky Miner something. I'll show you. I'll add it into the video. I'll add it. Like I'll cut away from this to that. Okay, guys. I just wanted to show a quick screen grab of the place that I got these latest ones. So the one that I just showed you is right from this place here. What did I say? Lucky Miner official store. So if the reviews go well, then you might want to pursue getting one from this place. This box is a little different. This box, compared to the other two boxes, is different. This one, it actually says Gamma on the front. I wonder if this guy reboxed or builds his own. Because it's like an open source project, so... Ooh, damn. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with that, but looks like it took some smacking around. But yeah, you see that says BitAxe Gamma? Let me show you the other one. Completely different boxes. This one's BitAxe, this one's BitAxe. These two are from the same seller. So these two are from the same person. Lucky Solo, or Bit Solo Player. So that explains why these two are the same boxes. This one is from a different seller, like I said, so that would explain why it's this. Now let's have a look. The exciting part. Oh my gosh, the anticipation. What do we got in here? We have a piece of paper. Okay. BitAxe Gamma 601 1.5. 25 watts. Okay. The other two are 16, I believe, 16 or 17 watts. And this one has the upgraded upgraded heatsink and everything. So it's like, that's why I went with a different one on this one. Oh, that's kind of cool. This is hilarious. 200 watts? It better not be 200 watts. Okay. That's handy. A little paperwork there. The other one from the other supplier was a little more in depth. It was like an actual booklet. Do not plug or unplug the DC jack connector while the device is powered on. There's no on or off switch, so you have to. Oh, that's funny. Okay, what do we got? Oh, wow. That's nice. That's a nice little hey, how are ya? It's actually metal too. That's very cool. Oh, I see fingerprints. Straight from China, fingerprints. Okay, so we got a power cord. This one is not angled. It's actually okay. Same power supply, very similar, 5 watt, or sorry, 5 volt, 6 amp. We can put that stuff away. That's very cool. And now let's pull this bad boy out. This heatsink is insane compared to the other ones. It also looks bent. I mean, that shouldn't affect the function, so I'm not going to try and reef on it. How's the... I'm just trying to see if I can get a peek at the paste. Paste looks pretty good. Oh, wow, he's actually got a heatsink on the front right off the hop. So he's got a heatsink right here off the hop, which is kind of cool. He's got this fan, and this heatsink is upgraded from the standard stuff. And then on the back, it looks normal. Very curious to see what this comes out with as far as just the hash goes. Okay, so there we are. Looks great. You can see, like I said, it's a little bent. I'm guessing it probably came like that, to be honest. It's just not going to affect the function, but you can see it's a little bent, which pisses me off. Anyways, there's the quick unboxing. So you've got your unit, your power supply, your cable, and your coin. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do. If you enjoyed this video, it's short, to the point, just wanted to show you guys what we're working with. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. It goes a long way. And stay tuned, because we're going to be posting more videos as far as how fast I can get this going, and yeah, all of that fun stuff. So stay tuned.